What up, kings, queens, prince, and princesses? Welcome to another day of vlogging. He about to act like he about to slap, but we in Publix. We're about to coupon. My daddy just came back today, but he about to go back on the road tomorrow. But we're about to all go to the Yellow Jackets All-Star baseball game. I used to play for that part when I was young, a young boy, young. But we in Publix. We're about to do a few deals. We'll break it down for y'all.
Because the Suave deal will be 46 cents tomorrow. I mean
Thursday. Y'all see all them books she taking? But Davion got his shorts on backwards. Shorts and shoes.
Daddy, can I get a cookie? Daddy, can I get a cookie? Daddy, can I get a cookie?
Oh, so they 2 for 10. So
got 8 of the Kotex, 8 of the Dove. She gonna break it down for y'all.
I'm trying to find the key. Oh, wait. Oh, that's not it. Hey guys, so let me give y'all this quick breakdown. We are in Publix, as my honey told y'all. So what I got so far right now is 4 Palmolive dish soaps, 4 Dove body wash. Well, let me tell you the sale. The sale for this is buy one get one free. They're $3.99 a piece. These are $3.99 a piece. No, they're 2 for $8, so $4 a piece. And when you buy $15 worth of the Dove product, you get a $5 gift card. So we got 4 of these. And with the tampons, they're just regular price, $3.69. So these are a moneymaker. And because in the Publix Purple Flyer, there's a $4 off 2 coupon, so that's $2 off so far. And then I was lucky enough to get some early inserts. This come out $6.23 in the Smart Source. It's $2 off. So basically it's $4 off 1. So that's, I said it's $3.69, so about 31-cent moneymaker for each box. And we got 6 boxes in our transaction. So the coupons I'm using is this and this to attach to each box of Kotex. The $1 off 2, which is 50 cents off 1 Palmolive with add one of you. Well, with one of these, it's $2 off 2, so it's $1.50 off each one, and they're $3.99 a piece, so that'd be 50 cents for this big old bottle of dish detergent. I gotta give you one more.
That's it.
And no, wait, that's it. I did the cook. Wait. Oh, the Dove. And the Dove, they have a $1.50 off 1 coupon. Remember, they're $4, $1.50 off 1. And then they have a Publix coupon with $2 off 2, so it's $2.50 off 1, and they are 4 for $8, $4, so that's $2.50 off 1. That leaves $1.50, and then but when you get $15 worth, you get a $5 gift card back. So let's see how much we pay for this transaction.
All right, we both just finished the deal. My wife did one and I did one, and she paid $3.33 for hers, and I paid $2 and something for mine. So sometimes them registers be doing all
you see how your in before the tax was $5.72, mine was $6.72. So it's like they took off an extra $1 on yours somewhere.
But she did all the right amount of coupons. Like if you count all those coupons, it's the same, because I was making sure when I handed her, she did the right amount, and she did the right amount.
So did one of y'all, did he have more coupons than you?
But no, sometimes that happens.
Sometimes they charge you coupon tax.
Sometimes that happen because I remember sometimes, say I go to one Publix, do the same exact deal and go to another one, and it be like a little difference, and I give them the same amount of coupons and all that. So sometimes it'll be a little off. So she paid $333 and I paid like $268 or something like that for mine. But we both got the same thing, used the same exact coupons.
I think that was pretty good though. Well, it was $161 in tax.
I hate that.
You got you some body wash, you got some dish detergent, and some pads and stuff.
I ain't got me no pads.
You can use some pads.
Oh, we in a new truck too, so. They brand new truck, but we over on like Bayshore area, and I was just thinking I miss coming over here because we ain't been over here in a long time.
Oh. Get it! While I'm trying to look at pay attention to the coupons. Get it! I said, but wait a minute.
It's the area where the big house is at, but they used to stay over here. They rented out a house over here. They was over here for some years, but they finally moved out in Riverview, and we ain't been back over here since forever. I miss it. This a nice area, a nice neighborhood. You can walk on Bayshore.
Here in West Tampa, so I'm so used to it. You know, some people just want to try to go. I'm so used to it.
And then that's the water, but I just used to love coming over here, riding around, getting motivation from these big, huge houses. Look at this.
They're like, even though it's south, a lot of people like West Tampa, like Tottenham and stuff.
And then I give y'all a little car tour when we get to the baseball field. Well, once we leave, I give y'all a little car tour.
Wasn't too far.
We made it to the baseball field. My uncle and my auntie them met us up here. And then here go my parents' them car right here. And I'll show y'all the inside. Well, I showed y'all a little glimpse of it.
All they know is you just woke up. Look at the shoes. You like your shoes. Look at the shorts. Talk about the shoes.
Backwards.
Hey, Dominique. BB, can you fix your shoes? Can you put your shoes on the right foot?
Yeah, he love them shoes like that. He do it on purpose.
I said, you don't put no pants on the right foot. Because people walk around like you got no confidence. He said he ain't gonna put his shoes on.
Stop, Davion.
Why'd you get some cool air?
Did you see what he up?
You were hot.
That's low. He talking about. It's too hot out here for that. That all this kicking.
He did that.
Well, hurry up and please, I can wash my hands.
Oh, I seen Coach right up here. He in the outfield. My uncle talking to him. He the president of the whole park. From when I was small, even before I even went there, he was the president, and he's still the president of the park right now. I ain't seen him in a long time.
And you know he's gonna go mess with this man. I got the tea and I got
Yeah, you're doing good, man. Hey, that guy right there.
Right.
Hey, man.
He's a big guy.
You doing good?
Yes.
You know, I saw
I ain't seen him in a while.
In the Dollar Tree.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, I asked about you. They told me stay on the road.
You say?
Coach Wright, I'm 50 years old, and this man been around us since I was 6 years old. I played baseball for him.
Yeah. Our whole family played baseball up there too, and he's still there. He been there for a
They
long
go to the
time.
bathroom.
Like home.
Let's go.
They don't want to cut the lights on. We were bashing them too. They started hitting the ball in that dog. We couldn't see the ball. The game about to start. This is a wide angle in, so I can't really see much through this gate, so I ain't gonna record it. But I'll let y'all know who wins.
Can't zoom no more. Get back. Yeah, he ready.
Okay, what you do?
Yeah, they're just a different color.
Get out here. Good job, boy. Come on, Bradley. One of them big boy here.
Yeah. Half a heart. They're gonna miss it. That ball was fair. That was fair.
The game just ended. They just got 10-run rule. We won. I can't even zoom in because I dropped the camera, but it's 14-4.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, but they play again tomorrow.
They play tomorrow?
Yeah.
Well, they gonna, when they're in the losers bracket,
know.
they normally play every day.
Not hard.
We leaving. It's starting to rain. We gotta hurry and get to the car.
So she took people to like.
Go, baby. All the copies I walked past, I didn't want to touch them, so I didn't open them up. I was looking for one. I was looking for one that just I can dump it in there. There go one. I don't want to touch the garbage.
Is my phone is what? Waterproof. How you know my phone waterproof? I was just to say you need to do the video at the top.
I showed it when we got there. They're gonna come out the door.
Oh.
Your honey said y'all he don't care y'all get sick. Y'all know just hit me.
We don't answer to those.
Wait, no, cause all of them wasn't mine.
We gonna drive your truck in the morning.